Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving from Funtown RV, from our family to yours. Again, this is Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be looking at the Cardinal 377MBLE. Let's go take a look. All right guys, this is going to be the front of the Cardinal. You're going to have a Rhino pin box on this trailer. It's going to be really heavy duty and really easy to find a hitch that's going to work with it. Moving back a little bit further, you're going to have major storage under here with your docking light switch that's going to give you a little bit more flair going down the road. Right next to me, you're going to have the Lippert electric auto level. That's going to be a great option. It's going to take about half the time to set up your RV so that you can get out camping. And if y'all missed it, this Cardinal does have amazing accent lights. How about that orange for Thanksgiving? On the door side of this Cardinal, you're going to have your propane access right up front. Behind that, you're going to have a massive pass-through storage. I don't think I've seen a storage like this on any other fifth wheel we carry. This Cardinal is going to have your solid step system. This is going to be the 4-step system because this is a massive fifth wheel. Going to be a great option for a steady entrance into your RV. The door side slide of this Cardinal is going to have your TV mount with your plugs, so if you want to watch the game outside, you definitely have that option. You're going to have 2 waterproof 12-volt speakers down low on this slide, a power awning attached to the slide itself. That extends your area out into the campground that you have shade. This Cardinal is also going to have an awesome outdoor kitchen. You're going to have a Suburban propane stove with a large Everchill fridge. All right, guys, the back of this Cardinal is going to offer something pretty cool. You're going to have a hitch back here, but it's a hitch that's not necessarily a hitch. It's not for towing. It's meant for a bike rack or a cargo rack. Please don't hook up any boats or trailers to this. The Cardinals are also going to offer prep for your Furrion backup camera. If you want one installed, you can see our Camptown reps here or visit mycamptown.com. And on the off-door side of this Cardinal, you're going to see the other side of your pass-through storage. That is going to have access to all of your water connections and water controls. You can winterize this unit from one spot. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the outside of the Cardinal. Let's go take a look at the inside. What a great Thanksgiving camper. This is going to be an awesome camper to have the whole family out of. You can watch the game, eat your meals. It's going to be great for Thanksgiving. Starting off with the kitchen, you're going to have a nice island with a deep basin sink. It's going to come with your roll-up drying rack, so you can move that up out of the way, and you have a dark brushed stainless steel deep basin sink with a retractable nozzle. And right behind me, we're going to have a 3-burner stove. This is going to be a Greystone 3-burner propane stove and oven combo. You're going to have a nice large oven down there, great for a Thanksgiving turkey. And right above that, you're going to have a great LG microwave. It's going to be great for all the stuffings and sides. And right next to the stove, you're going to have a massive 4-door fridge. It's going to be great for all the drinks and sides on that Thanksgiving day. And this living room is going to be great for mine and most of my customers' favorite part of Thanksgiving, game day. The furniture in the living room is going to be a great option from Thomas Payne. It's going to be dirt and stain resistant. It's also going to offer recline, light, and massage. The entertainment center is also going to offer something great for brisk mornings like we had today in Texas. This is going to be your 12-volt fireplace. It does give you a little bit of ambiance in the living room, but it also gives you, more importantly, a little bit of heat. The TV in this Cardinal is going to be an awesome option. It's going to be a Connex TV and radio built into one. It's got a pretty neat little storage area with this tinted glass. All right, and this is going to be for the most important part of Thanksgiving, the meal. You're going to have tons of space here. Has an extension leaflet so you can have the whole family sit in one spot to enjoy Thanksgiving dinner. This Cardinal is also going to be a bunkhouse. I know that game is going to take up a lot of my time, and I don't want those kids running around while I'm trying to watch it. This is going to be a place they can go have their own space. There is going to be a spot for a TV so they can watch their own shows, and they have plenty of sleeping area. You have a bunk right up here, as well as a fold-out couch for a whole nother bed. But if they want it for play area, lounge area, this bunk does fold up out of the way. And before we head up to the loft, you do have a nice closet in the entry area of this Cardinal. This bunkhouse is also going to offer a nice loft area for those smaller kids. They can have their own play area and sleep area up top. The Cardinal's control panels is going to have everything in one spot. It's going to be really easy to use with all your lights, heaters, and sensors. Right above that, you're going to have a scannable code to get all your information from Cardinal you're going to need. And this unit is also Wi-Fi upgradable. The bathroom is going to have a very large stand-up shower with a ceramic toilet and a nice vanity. And this is going to be the bedroom of the Cardinal. You have a large king bed in its own slide, gives you a little bit more room over here. You're also going to have a lot of closet space in this camper. It's really impressive. Another thing that is going to be something that makes this Cardinal stand out is your washer dryer pre-installed. That's going to be it for the Cardinal. From our family here at Funtown to yours, happy Thanksgiving. I think I'm going to go eat some turkey.